Hi everybody, welcome to the Renaissance Builder on vacation. Say hi, Kira.
Hi.
If you guys have ever been on vacation, you may have found yourself frustrated trying to figure out something for your children to do. Well, I found a great solution, and it comes from a company called Kiwico. Now, they're not sponsored. I had to pay for this stuff myself, so, okay. But this product is great. It comes with everything that you need to do the project, and it's fun to do, and the children enjoy it. It's designed for all ages. When you sign up for there, you can choose an age group, and they will send you the projects appropriate for that age group. I can't talk. Kira, I can't talk already. So today, we're going to build one of these projects with Kira. Say hi, Kira.
Hi.
Okay, Kira, which project do you want to build?
This one.
You want to build this project?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to set this one to the side then.
I'm
Now, one of the nice things, especially if you enjoy reading to your children, is that they send you a book with the project that actually relates to the project you're going to build. So it's always nice to have extra books. We'll read that tonight. So, what do you think it is we're going to build?
A bear backpack.
No, we already built the bear pack. Let's see what it is. As soon as we get the tape off. All right. It looks like a butterfly.
Yeah. Butterflies today is...
It's a butterfly and a tree.
So cool.
All right.
Let's see what we got here.
Nice and easy step-by-step instructions.
We need the pom-pom.
And then we're gonna lay out all of our stuff. Okay?
I want to help.
Of course you do.
What are these for?
Those are tweezers. They're for grabbing small things. You got a mustache? Show the camera. You got a mustache.
I got a mustache.
So that's it. As you can see, you don't actually need any extra tools or anything. Everything is provided for you in the kit, and it's just an enjoyable little project to do. So they're not very expensive, they're easy to take with you, and I highly recommend them. Do you recommend them, Kira? There you go, it's Kira approved. All right, thank you very much, everybody. I hope you guys have a good time enjoying these. I hope you guys have a good time enjoying these Kiwico products for yourself. Feel free to go over and check them out. Again, this is not a paid sponsorship. I had to pay for these things myself, but that's how much I enjoy them. They're really good. So be sure you hit that subscribe and bell icon. Really appreciate your viewership. You guys have a good day. Say bye-bye, Kira.
Bye.
Till next time.
Daddy, let's do the next project.
Of course you do. I want to eat something.
Daddy. Bye-bye.